Welcome to today's Explainer. We've got an absolutely game-changing topic to dive into. By the year 2026, it's projected that over 80% of companies are going to be using AI for their marketing visuals, commercials, and user-generated content. But listen, there is a massive difference between just messing around with AI and using it strategically to actually turn attention into sales. Today, we're going to learn exactly how to do that. We're going to transform a brand's marketing strategy from the ground up using the Higgsfield MCP, that's Model Context Protocol, paired up with Claude. Okay, let's dive into this. Think about the old, frustrating way of doing things. Blindly creating random content, crossing your fingers, and just praying something goes viral. It's essentially a guessing game, right? And it absolutely burns through your time and your budget. But looking at the other side, this is our new reality. A strategic engine that knows exactly what to make and can literally run your marketing while you sleep. Imagine having an entire, fully functioning marketing agency living right inside your laptop, operating from a single chat window. That is the sheer power of what we're unpacking today. Here is our masterclass blueprint for transforming your strategy today. 1. Onboarding your brand system. 2. Stage 1, niche research. 3. Stage 2, content planning. 4. Generating and scheduling content. And 5. The true cost of AI. Let's get right to it. Section 1. Onboarding your brand system, or setting up the AI agency. Now, this setup takes mere seconds, but I'm telling you, it unlocks absolutely limitless capabilities. It basically turns a standard AI chat into a fully fledged content factory. The onboarding tutorial is super straightforward. First, you download the Higgsfield MCP and the custom skill. Second, connect Claude directly to Higgsfield by just adding a custom connector in your settings. Third, invoke the system right there in your chat by typing /Higgsel Content Factory. And fourth, upload your product. For our explainer today, we're actually using a test product called Higgs Juice. It's a 100% natural fruit drink coming in watermelon, orange, and kiwi flavors. You just upload a single image of these glass bottles, and boom, your onboarding is done. The AI now completely understands your brand's product. Section 2. Stage 1. Niche research and uncovering viral hooks. All right, let's slow down for a second because this is where the real detective work happens. Before a single pixel even gets generated, your AI agency needs to understand the landscape. This stage is all about taking real-time live internet data and synthesizing it into a highly actionable creative brief. Just look at how comprehensive this is. Claude actively pulls live data from TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. It figures out exactly what is going viral in your specific niche right now. It analyzes competitor brands that are just crushing it, identifies the hidden patterns behind their success, and then, here is the real magic, it synthesizes all of that into a brief containing 20 distinct idea cards. Every single idea card has a preset name, setting, duration, scene description, and even the caption line. It's doing literally all the heavy strategic lifting for you. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is this concept of the system hook. Because these aren't just random creative guesses or marketing fluff. A system hook is a pre-calculated, data-backed video opening pulled straight from Higgsfield's actual pick list. Whether it's a product crush format or a blind taste test, these are real, tested recipes for virality. They are specifically designed to grab a ridiculously short 2026 attention span and actually convert it into a sale. Section 3. Stage 2. Content planning, also known as the architect's blueprint. So if stage 1 was our detective, stage 2 is absolutely the architect. This is the moment the AI becomes a true human-level producer. It pre-fills all the campaign details beautifully. It automatically derives a 60-day date range for us. It takes our 3 Higgs juice flavors, watermelon, orange, and kiwi, and intelligently maps out a massive production calendar across 5 different video formats. We're talking everything from user-generated content, or UGC, to unboxings and even ASMR experiences. You don't have to touch a single spreadsheet cell. The AI structures the entire campaign timeline automatically. I really want to emphasize this number, 100. Literally in seconds, the AI effortlessly spat out a 100-row production document, outlining 100 unique UGC videos to be produced. Honestly, that level of detailed organization is way more thorough than the initial brief you'd hand to a seasoned human producer. Section 4. Generating and scheduling content, the factory floor and delivery. All right, we are officially stepping onto the factory floor, and things are about to speed up as we look at the sheer speed and quality of this content. UGC is absolutely the highest converting format on the internet today, mainly because it relies on real people and real reactions, so it doesn't feel like a traditional ad. But hey, if you're worried about the AI going rogue and just burning through your entire budget, remember this. With per-batch permission gates, you're approving as it goes, not just sitting there watching your credits disappear. The system actually pauses before generating each batch of 20 videos to ask for your green light. You are always the one in control of the factory floor, ensuring the quality is spot on before moving to the next format. And the variety of realistic UGC formats it generates is just incredible. You get street interviews, like someone claiming their entire summer personality is citrus. You get in-store product reviews, blind taste tests, perfect packaging unboxings, and high-quality ASMR. What's crazy is how the AI maintains consistent product visuals across all of this. The glass bottle, the text on the label, it all remains perfectly intact in every dynamic scene. Now, sure, occasionally the AI-generated actors might take a hilariously tiny sip of the juice, kind of like that one tech CEO trying to look normal eating a burger. But overall, the realism and consistency are absolutely fantastic. But your brand doesn't just live on video alone, right? Let's see how this builds out your entire static visual system. Right in the exact same chat window, you can just tell Claude to switch over to GPT Image 2.0. It's going to pull from the exact same content plan and those exact same product images to instantly generate your hero banners, ad creatives, and product shots. You literally never have to re-upload files or re-explain the brand. It flawlessly handles the underlying static visuals in a matter of seconds. To wrap up this 4-stage pipeline, the system effectively acts as your final delivery truck. By plugging into the Meta MCP, you connect directly to Meta ads. You just upload these ready-made campaigns straight into your ad account, schedule them, and then use the AI to analyze what's actually performing best so you can tweak your strategy. It's a complete end-to-end workflow, all happening right inside the chat.
Section 5, the true cost of AI, the ROI reveal. So the crucial point is,
What does all this actually mean for your bottom line? Let's break down this jaw-dropping math. If you took the traditional basic route to make 100 UGC videos, cutting corners, not using an agency, just hiring creators directly yourself, you're looking at about $28,000 in 6 to 8 weeks of your life managing 20 different people. If you do it the traditional proper route with an agency, videographers, and creative directors, that's roughly $99,000, almost 100 grand. But the AI route, using about 15,000 credits, it brings the entire cost down to just $900. It literally takes a multi-week, $100,000 headache and condenses it into a few minutes of just clicking approve on your screen. Which brings us to our final thought for today's explainer. When you can conduct real-time niche research, auto-generate a 100-video production plan, produce ultra-realistic UGC videos, create all your static banners, and schedule the whole shebang directly to Meta ads for a fraction of the cost, with a full agency living inside your chat window, will you ever call a traditional agency again? It completely rethinks everything we know about marketing budgets and strategy. Thank you so much for joining me to explore this incredible technology today, and I highly encourage you to look deeper into how these workflows can completely transform your own strategic approach.